Hi, good morning, everybody. Do we have audio on this morning? Yes, we do. Well, good morning, everybody. This is Marilyn, and it is Welcome to My World, the morning edition on February the 3rd. This is a Wednesday, and we will have some news this morning. The biggie is the oil inventory report will be out at 10:30. But right now we've got some economic numbers coming out. Personal income, it looks like they're already out. They're not too earth-shattering. The CAD will have news at 9:30, and the biggie is crude oil inventory at 10:30. So we've had a lot of activity in these markets real early this morning and overnight. The U.S. dollar is just fallen and fallen and fallen and fallen, and the 6E, the euro future, is which mirrors the U.S. dollar, is gone up and up and up. So for the people who trade that dollar-euro pair, especially overnight, that has got to have been a wonderful trade. The Canadian dollar has gone up a lot since, well, it's overnight and this morning also. So we'll see if those things bring, if those bring any activity to the crude oil. They tend to trade together, but I'm not sure that I'm kind of watching crude oil to see the inventory is right about what was anticipated, or at least it's anticipated to be reported at about that level. So there's not a big discrepancy between those two. Crude's been in a bit of a tight range, but this morning it has flipped from the red apexes to the green apexes. So depending on what trading strategy you use, if you do trade that market. Gold had a nice run this morning, and there was also a very nice move on bonds if you were up early enough to grab some of that. The VIX closed up a little bit yesterday afternoon, about almost 22, and it had dropped below 20 at one point. And we've got Brent it went up a little bit yesterday, and then it started to fall off. So this inventory report is going to be pretty interesting. The Russians have they're kind of figuring out that they better do something because they're not taking as much crude oil in income as they had planned. This is kind of an interesting time to watch this. So anyway, trade what you see. I don't see anything too earth-shattering today. There will be some earnings coming out in some of these big stocks this afternoon. So going into the close on the indices could be pretty interesting. If you have to leave and you don't get any good trades, about 3 o'clock is a good time, especially in earnings season, to start watching. And that last hour, sometimes you get some very nice trades. So I will be back at noon, and we'll see what the morning has brought us. This has been my view from my world in Apex Land, brought to you by Apex Investing. I'll see you about noon. Thanks.